Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the update on Avalanche. There is not a big change in Avalanche move because it is still moving inside this down channel and forming lower lows and lower highs. And while moving to the downside, we have broken down this very long-term up trend line support and this very long-term down trend line support as well. And now for the past several days, it is testing this very long-term support of $20. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $20, this support, has been previously breaking as a support here and resistance here and resistance here. Therefore, again, it is breaking at a very, very nice support. At the same time, we're also testing the support of this down channel as well. By the way, before that, we also broke out this down channel here as well. And after that, we had a nice bounce, nice rally where the price end could not hit this long-term resistance of $55. That is a quite long-term resistance. If we take a look at the previous history of this $55, then you can see that previously this $55 has been breaking at a very strong support here and support here and resistance here. And therefore now, again, it is breaking at a very, very strong resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very, very massive and huge breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for Sun. You just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. Like this trade setup I shared on 15th of Feb 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Avalanche. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it is moving inside this channel. We got rejection here, bounce here, rejection, 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 and rejection. And we had another bounce from this support of the channel. But while moving to the downside, we broke down this uptrend line support and this downtrend line support as well. Both trend lines can now break as a resistance for the price line. In fact, this downtrend and the support is breaking as a very, very strong resistance for the past several days. You can see that due to this downtrend and resistance, the price and could not hit the resistance of the channel this time. And for the past several days, it is moving at the support of this channel. At the same time, for the past several days, it is also testing this very long-term support of $20 as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line resistance that was previously breaking as a support here since after the month of September 2023. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and now we have broken it down. And this downtrend line was already working as a very, very long-term resistance here in the month of November 2021. Then we got rejection here and small rejection here, another few more rejections here and few more rejections here. And now again, it is working as a very, very strong resistance. Therefore, in order to hit the resistance of this smaller down channel, first we will need to break out this downtrend and resistance. And now we are switched back to the daily time frame. And after breaking out this downtrend and resistance, it can hit the resistance of the channel somewhere here, approximately at $25.80. And in case of breaking out this down channel, the technical target will be here at the top of the channel at $55 once again, where we have a very, very long-term resistance. And if we take a look at the previous breakout from this down channel, then technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $65. Now, if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, you can see that despite this very, very powerful rally, so far the price end could not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that target is here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at $150. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.